Hi guys, Xavier here with Magnum RT Bumpers. Today, we're going to be taking a closer look at our Jeep JL and JT full width bumper. Our full width bumper has a high clearance design which increases your approach angle, allowing you to hit more technical trails, as well as giving you great protection with our removable skid plate. This bumper features sharp corners that give it a modern design while still following the body lines of your JL or JT, providing you a tight and clean appearance. The extended width of the bumper will align with your factory fenders, providing even more protection for your rig. Our full width bumpers were designed with two mounting options that allow the bumper to work with high top and standard height factory fenders. The internal gussets, brackets, and winch plate are all constructed with 1/4 inch steel plate. Our 1-inch solid steel D-ring mounts are fully welded on the inside and the outside of the shell, as well as to the 1/4 inch internal brackets, making them a strong and reliable recovery point. All of our Magnum RT bumpers are finished in a 3-stage powder coat, leaving a tough, weather-resistant black textured finish. The unique RT bar has multiple mounting points included for additional lighting or accessories. We took it a step further. We included these additional holes on the side for cable management, giving you a clean and professional look. This particular Magnum RT bumper allows for installation of up to a 12.5K winch and features a mounting location for a Hawes Fairlead. This bumper comes with 3 styles of brackets, which allows you to reinstall most factory fog lights. If you'd prefer to upgrade to aftermarket, you can install any 4-inch round fog lights with a bottom post mounting utilizing these built-in tabs. Our full width bumpers also include 4 additional mounting locations for aftermarket lighting that will accept most cube lights. This bumper was designed to be a direct fit installation that does not require any drilling or cutting. All of the necessary hardware is included for a no-hassle upgrade. All of our Magnum RT bumpers come with a limited lifetime manufacturer's warranty on the structure and 1-year limited warranty on the finish.